If you're looking to add on to your smoke detector collection or you're just starting, here's what to look for. So if you want a vintage common smoke alarm that you can find pretty much at any house, look no farther than the First Alert SA67D. This alarm has a 4-6 alarm horn, which is pretty cool in itself, and it's also pretty common. As you can see, it is the First Alert SA67D. To find the circa date, just look right here. It's from circa 1990, so it's pretty old. Very nice smoke alarm. Let's test it. Yeah, pretty nice. If you want something that's like you can still buy nowadays, but it's been like an updated model, here is the First Alert SA300. As you can see, it's from August of 2005. The new model is the SA303, and that's what it was replaced by. Let's test this thing. As you can see, it's a pretty nice alarm. If you're looking for something new to like put in your house, here is the Kitty I9050. As you can see right here, made in 2017. You can still get these nowadays, but just still get these nowadays. Pretty reliable alarms, and yeah, pretty nice setup out here. Anyway, just so you know, if my voice does sound weird, it's because I did get braces, 3 weeks ago now? And other than that, I got nothing else to tell you. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!